what's up? My name is Aurora and today I have a very exciting video. I've been waiting to film this video for you guys. I'm going to be taking you through my entire perfume collection and storage. I'm going to be giving you guys organization tips and tricks, affordable ways that I recommend storing your Bath & Body Works, your Victoria's Secret, and whatever other perfumes you have in your collection. But I'm also going to be showing you literally every single perfume that I own. I have full reviews on a ton of these different scents that I will be showing in today's video, so I'll definitely link those down below. Make sure to check them out, but I will be kind of at least naming each of the perfumes, fragrances, body mists, lotions, and body creams and shower gels that I have in my collection today. If you've seen my room tour or my closet organization video, you would know that I keep the majority of my beauty things in my closet. That's currently where we are right now. You can see right here I have a desk, right here we have all my perfume, and up here we have a bunch of hair and other beauty items over here in these drawers. Because I have so much to show you, I wanted to break it down. So like I said, today's video is all about my perfume collection and organization, literally every single item I own from Bath & Body Works, from Victoria's Secret, from Ariana Grande. Whether you want to see my I&H collection, my wig collection, my ponytail collection, whatever it is, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up or commenting down below that you want to see my kind of hair care organization and collection. But yeah, without further ado, we'll get right into it. Make sure that you're subscribed if you like beauty, fashion, and home decor videos on a budget. And as always, if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at RoryBell with 3 L's and 1 E. Let's get into it. We're going to be moving the camera angle a lot in this video, so just keep that in mind. Let's get started. So here is a quick overview of the entire area that I'm going to be showing you guys today, which is right here. This is where I keep all of my perfumes, all of my fragrances, all of my lotions, all of my everything else. So here is just a more in-depth view, and then we will move the camera once again and I will show you fragrance by fragrance what I own. Okay, so we are in my closet. I'm going to show you the first tier of my organization. Now, before we get into that, let me just say that this entire organization kind of system, tower, if you will, is from IKEA. I could not recommend it enough, and we will get more into why and all of that, but just know it's from IKEA. It will be linked down below. It also comes in black, and I think it's like 10 bucks. It's so affordable. So should I sit? Let's sit. Okay, so this is where I keep all of the perfumes that I own. I don't have an extensive perfume collection because honestly I really like to be able to try before you buy, and since COVID started I haven't really gone into that many stores, and perfume is one of those things that's expensive and you don't really want to buy something before you know you're gonna like it. So yeah, I keep all of my perfumes right here except for my roller ball of product candy. I do keep that on my dresser, but it's such a classic perfume. You know what it looks like, you know how it smells. So right here I keep my Ariana Grande Rem box. This was just too pretty to get rid of, but I already had this box of Kaleidoscope. This has a bottle of Kaleidoscope in it. It's unopened, unused. So I just kind of keep this right here on standby for when I run out. Back here we have 2 or 3 body mists. These were all body mists that were a little too small to kind of keep in the other sections of my organization. So we have Saltwater Breeze Shimmer Mist, Cotton Candy from Body Fantasies, love that, and we have a little mini Pretty as a Peach. And we have my infamous Selena Gomez perfume. This is my first love, my first favorite perfume. It's so good. I don't have a top on it. I hate the top. I despise it. I'd rather it look like this than have the top. It's a really ugly bottle, but hey, it smells amazing. Down here on the side we have Dream Angel. This is Victoria's Secret's rollerball scent. I love this scent. I need it in full size. It's absolutely incredible. This is a fun one. This is from Demeter. I've talked about this once I think on my channel, but this literally smells like sour punch sour spray. It's such an interesting scent mixed with like flowers. It's so weird, but I got it for $1 at Forever 21 a long time ago. It was like on sale. Another cheap perfume. This is Pink Ice. I have this literally just for the nostalgia. It kind of smells like hair spray, to be honest, but this is just such an iconic scent in my life. Of course, we have all of the Ariana Grande fragrances. I have 2 lotions, Ari and Thank You Next. I have Ariana Grande Cloud. I have Thank You Next. I have Rem, or REM, I always say Rem. We have Sweet Like Candy, Ari, and Moonlight. I'm obviously missing Frankie and Sweet Like Candy limited edition, but if you want to see my full review on all of these Ariana Grande perfumes, if you haven't seen it already, it will be linked down below. So that's what's up here at this top section. Let's move you down and let's talk about the next section. Okay, so as you can see, I have these little bins in here. These are from Dollar Tree. These are their locker bins. Cannot recommend these enough either. These are like a cult classic from Dollar Tree, and they fit perfectly in this IKEA system. I really recommend having some sort of a bin in this if you do decide to use it for perfumes or lotions, because the gap in between the levels is so large that if you just had a product standing up and it fell over, it would fall right out and it would just be such a mess. But with these locker bins, I can kind of smush in there. They can all kind of fall over, whatever, but they're still contained in the box, you know what I mean? So it just makes everything a lot nicer. And for the record, I can fit 15 mists and 15 body creams in these bins. So for reference, 15 and 15. And I have 2 of these systems, and there's 4 levels to each of them. You can also stack them. Like if you wanted to buy 2 and you wanted it to be vertically and a lot taller, you can just keep stacking until you get the desired height. And if you want them to be like lower levels, like if I wanted to take one of these apart and have 2, I could totally do that as well. So they're very, very customizable for the space that you have. So moving on, rapid fire of these body creams. I love the body creams. I prefer the body creams to the lotion. I think you probably get more product with the body, with the lotions from Bath & Body Works, but honestly, the creams are just so magical and delicious. So let's run through these in no particular order, but I do have tons of Bath & Body Works ranking videos and reviews on my channel, so check those out. Link in the description. Raspberry Jam Donut, Pink Velvet Cupcake, Pink Chiffon. This is a bottle that's almost completely gone. Secret Wonderland. Champagne Toast, also old packaging, and I need a new bottle. This is the old formula. I'm not sure if the newer formulas smell the same, but this smells like gummy bears. 1,000 Christmas Wishes. Look at that packaging. Black Raspberry Vanilla. Teakwood. In the Stars. Pretty as a Peach. Champagne Rose. And a fresh brand new bottle that I just got of Pink Chiffon. Such a classic. Some people have much bigger Bath & Body Works collections than I do. I just started collecting Bath & Body Works in 2020, so keep that in mind. I know that my collection is not the most impressive by any means, but I did just want to share it with you guys. So moving on to the body mist, this is my jam. This is usually what I go for when I'm buying stuff from Bath & Body Works. So I did mention before that I do have a bunch of the Ariana Grande fragrances in the body mist. You can get these for about $10 at Walmart. I finally got my Thank You Next, which I'm so excited about because now I have all the body mist except for REM. But in case you're wondering, they are literally the same exact style, size, fluid ounces as the Bath & Body Works, so they fit perfectly in my collection. So Thank You Next, Pink Chiffon. We have In the Stars, Raspberry Jam Donut, Boardwalk Taffy. I love this scent so much. I wish I had the lotion in that. Sweet Like Candy, Moonlight. I really recommend getting these body mists of RA's fragrances if you're not sure if you want to have the full-size bottle. This is Cloud. They smell exactly the same. I get questions about why do you have the body mist if you already have the perfume. The perfume I like to obviously ration a little bit more, and sometimes if I just want to spray the scent and not be so like sparing with it, I'll use my body mist, or if I'm reapplying throughout the day. This is Black Raspberry Vanilla, Pink Velvet Cupcake, Paris Amour, a classic in my nostalgia. This is 1,000 Wishes. I've talked about this scent before. This was the scent I would wear right before COVID, so it's like, it's such a weird scent to smell nowadays. Ari, Beautiful Day. This is my middle school scent. No, like freshman year. This is like a really good one. And last but not least, we have Strawberry Pound Cake. We love, we stand the scent. Let's move down to the next tier. Okay, so now we're kind of getting into some of the scents that I have repeats for. You may be wondering, where's Kaleidoscope? You say you like it so much. Well, I have them all right here. So we're gonna go through, I'll tell you how many I have, but we have 1 Kaleidoscope, 2 Kaleidoscope, 3, 4, 5, 6 Kaleidoscope. We have an extra In the Stars, an extra Black Raspberry Vanilla. We have Saltwater Breeze, not in the body shimmer, so that's kind of why we keep her down here, because we already have one up there. And then I have 2 of the In the Stars Shimmer Mist. Now we have a bunch of Kaleidoscope lotions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these Kaleidoscope lotions. Had to stock up. Oh, so good. Okay, we have a Secret Wonderland, another kind of old packaging Champagne Toast, Black Raspberry Vanilla in the lotion. I honestly don't even like this scent that much. Like, I have so much of it. Oh, it does smell good. But it was on sale, so I was like, let me grab some. 1,000 Christmas wishes. And then last but not least, we have our new love, our raspberry jam donut. Okay, so this is the last here. They're kind of empty, but obviously to make room for any extra products I get in the future, I have 2 extra body creams. We have a second dose of our pink velvet cupcake and a second dose of our In the Stars. Look at this packaging. So pretty. And then we also have an extra, you guessed it, kaleidoscope perfume. So we stand. And then I have a few extra shower gels. I like to only keep like 1 shower gel in my shower at a time, just so that I can make sure that I have extra on standby when I run out. So we have Dark Kiss. I honestly don't like this scent. Like, I ordered it online. I didn't know what it was gonna smell like. I got it and I'm not the biggest fan, but whatever. It's a shower gels I care the least about because I go through them so much quicker than the rest of the products. We have Teakwood, obviously for obvious reasons. Smells like Abercrombie and Fitch. Another Black Raspberry Vanilla. We have the entire line, as you can see. And then last but not least, we have Secret Wonderland in the body shower gel. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, if you want to see the rest of my storage, all my storage for my INH hair products and stuff like that, let me know. But I was so excited to show you guys my full collection for my body mist and my hygiene kind of products. Let me know how you guys store your products. Do you just keep everything in the bin? Do you keep everything under your sink? Do you have a way better organization method that I need to know about? I would love to hear it. And as always, if you want to follow me on my, what am I talking about? If you want to follow, I was gonna say on my Finsta, you guys can't have that. I'm sorry, we're not that close yet. Make sure to go down below and hit subscribe. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. I love you guys. Bye.